Every person has something unique to offer. Yet, too often, society focuses on what people can't do. Instead of celebrating what they can do, it's time we change that narrative.
We all have different abilities. Some of us may face challenges that others don't. But those challenges don't define us. They don't limit our potential. What defines us are our strength, our talents, our passions, and our resilience. And it's time the world recognizes that.
Malawak yung pag-unawa, tapos kailangan ng mahabang pasensya para hindi siya laging napapalo dahil minsan ay hindi niya kontrol yung kanyang kilos at saka yung kanyang galaw. Pag-unawa at kailangan din nilang intindihin yung mga anak nila na ganyang may kapansanan kasi sila lang ang makakatulong sa kanilang mga anak. Yun lang.
Imagine a world where we no longer see limitations, where we embrace each person for the unique abilities they bring to the table. This isn't just a dream, it's a vision so we can make the reality if we all work together. It's time to stop focusing on these abilities and start recognizing abilities.
Sa pamamagitan pong hindi ko po iniisip yung aking disability at iniisip ko na ako po'y ay isang normal na tao at walang kapansanan o walang hirap na hindi malalampasan at ako'y naniniwala sa Diyos na hindi mo kailangan isipin ang iyong kapansanan sa gusto mong alagawin dito sa mundong ito. Ipatuloy lang ninyo yung gusto ninyong alagawin sa inyong buhay para makamit yung inyong gustong yung inyong pinapangarap. At tandaan ninyo na wala namang perfectong tao dito sa mundo. Lahat tayo nagkakamali at tanggapin ang ating pagkukulang at nagpapasalamat lagi sa Diyos dahil sa binibigyan tayo ng kapayapaan upang hindi natin maisip yung ating sitwasyon.
Changing minds toward inclusivity starts with small acts of kindness and understanding. It starts with us, acknowledging that every person, regardless of their abilities, has value. By choosing to see the person, not their disability, we create a world where everyone can thrive.
Ina-adapt ko yung mga gawain na ginagawa ng iba at hindi ko kinukumpara yung sarili ko sa ibang tao na kaya kong gawin yung ganto, hindi ko kayang gawin yung ganto. Pero bilang isang may kapansanan, syempre, sa ang tingin ng iba na hindi ko kayang gawin, pero may nagagawa kaming kaya namin gawin na hindi nagagawa ng buong mga kamay. Huwag lang kayong susuko, patuloy lang. Huwag nyong isipin na madaming hadlang or dahil sa may kapansanan kayo, hindi nyo kayang gawin yung mga ginagawa ng ibang taong buo ang katawan. Pero hindi, kaya nyo yan. Patuloy lang.
Pero mo na ay sa Diyos. Kasi kung wala kang faith, sasayin ka na mo na naawa sarili, baro na kahit naunipis sa ulo mo. At saka yung pagmamahal ng family. At saka yung madami naman ang may ganito na masikip pa walang kamay, ano lahat, wala. Pero kita mo naman sa TikTok kung paano sila sumasabay sa mga normal na tao. Yun ang kasi may higit pa sa akin na may disability na nagsisikap pa rin at pasaya pa rin sa buhay.
Inclusion isn't just about access, it's about empowerment. It's about giving everyone the opportunity to contribute, to share their strengths, and to be seen for who they truly are.
Today, we ask you to make a difference. When you meet someone with a disability, ask yourself, what are their abilities? How can I help amplify those strengths? How can I support them in reaching their full potential?
Let's embrace diversity, let's amplify abilities, and let's create a world where everyone is valued for who they are, not for the challenges they face. Together, we can make inclusivity the norm. It's time for change, and it starts within us.